জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী, জয় বিশালাক্ষী, জয়।
Don't worry, Jasmine ma'am. Nothing will happen to you. Nothing will happen to you. See, the fire has been extinguished, Jasmine ma'am. Why are you behaving like that? Calm down.
You don't like Jasmine, yet you saved her without thinking that you could burn your hands while trying to save her? How much more will you surprise me?
There's no more fire. It has been put out, Jasmine ma'am. Ma'am, there's no fire on your dress. Everything is all right, Jasmine ma'am. Someone please console her. So please tell her not to panic anymore. There's no more fire.
Jasmine, there's nothing to worry about anymore, really. Nayan arrived at the right time and saved you from this danger. Jasmine, how did the fire start?
Yes, I was thinking about the same thing. What happened, Jasmine? How did the fire start? No, I mean, you should have been a little careful. You see, it could have been a big mishap, right? But even a lamp is not lit in this room. Then how did the fire start? Tell me. I think Chowmein was being boiled.
Keep quiet, Rangana. This is not the time to crack your cheap jokes. Look at this girl. She's shivering. Don't worry, sit down. Come on. Sit. Will you have some water?
Sudha's letter. All right. So this was the source of the fire. That means Jasmine got the letter.
What has happened to Nayan? Why did she become so restless?
That means Jasmine and her brother are aware that I know how Sudha died. They'll become even more cautious now. Maybe that's the reason she burned that letter. Oh, Lourdes, what did you do? That letter was so important to me. It was the evidence of Sudha's murder. It was the last letter. Sudha wrote it to the policeman. I couldn't hand it over to the policeman. All the evidence burned to ashes. Now, nobody will believe me if I tell them that Jasmine's brother killed Sudha slowly by making her sniff those flowers. Everything is ruined, Lourdes. They burned the letter.
Why is Nayan in tears? Did she realize how the fire started? But why isn't she saying anything? I think there is something. No. She won't get the courage to question Jasmine if I don't poke her. Jasmine, a great danger is averted. Well, what do you think, Jasmine? Did someone do it to harm you?
Right. Leave everyone and blame my friend. Do you think Nayan set Chowmeen sari on fire to burn her down? Not at all. What? Aunt Durba, please tell me. Tell me, mother, wasn't Nayan with us downstairs?
Yes, she was.
Besides, Nayan is not someone to do all this. She risked her own life and extinguished the fire in Jasmine's dress in front of our eyes.
Hey, nobody's saying Nayan set Jasmine's dress on fire. Then why you both are defending her?
No, actually, Nayan is not the one who does all the bad deeds in this house. There was a sudden storm and the lamp got put out. Her fault. She might have been blamed for this too.
I can't understand this man, Lourdes. I can't understand when he defends me and when he gets mad at me. What does he want, Lourdes? What does he want?
So in this case, it's proved that Nayan did not do anything. Now, Jasmine, you tell us. How did the fire start?
Yes, Chowmeen, it is better. You tell us.
Why are you repeatedly asking the same question, Deepu? There was a fire somehow, so let it be. Why are we discussing about it? Tell me.
Of course, it's needed, Aunt. Don't we need to know how the fire started in this house? It is important to know. Otherwise, how can we be careful next time? Right, Jasmine?
Actually, the fire.
The way Dripto is interrogating her, Jasmine won't be able to manage it. Jasmine, are you traumatized? Are you feeling sick? Dripto, I suggest you leave this matter for now. Let her get well first, then we will discuss.
Yes, Deepu. Let her rest for the time being. You get some rest.
No, Mom, she can rest. I didn't forbid her to do that. She can answer me while resting. What was the source of that fire? I must know. Maybe Jasmine was burning something? Because Grandma said that no lamp is lit in this room. It is possible that it's your mistake, Jasmine. But Jasmine, don't get scared, okay? You're going to be the wife of the master of this house. All of your sins are forgiven. I mean, even if you've made some blunder, nobody will throw you out of this house at least. So say it out loud. How did the fire start in this room? Did you really burn something?
It seems like Dripto won't stop until he gets the truth out of her.
Jasmine, tell me, I've asked you a simple question. I need an answer, right? Come on, tell me.
Nowadays, Jayanta brings flowers every day. Ever since I told him that I wouldn't ask Dad for an imported car. He started bringing flowers.
Don't keep quiet, Miss Jasmine. Tell us. Tell us what you were burning in the room.
The way Dripto and Nayan are cornering Jasmine, the situation is getting more complicated. But I can't even figure out how to handle this situation.
Jasmine, why are you still quiet? Look, I won't go anywhere from here without knowing your answer.
Nobody burns anything inside the room without reason. Was that something confidential?
Who are you to ask her for an explanation? Who are you? Tell me. And what can be inside a room that she will burn? You are crossing your limits every day.
Paper! Isn't it a paper? It's burnt paper. Hey, Charmin, were you burning paper inside the room? Why?
What are you saying, Rangna? Why would Jasmine burn paper inside the room?
How will I know that, Father? She was doing it. Here's the proof. See that? Really? She was so engrossed in burning the paper that she didn't realize when she caught fire. Hey, Charmin, isn't it?
Everybody found out the burnt paper. I told brother repeatedly not to act crazy. It caused trouble. Oh Lord, what shall I do now?
Hey, friend, you didn't find the letter you wrote to your mother, right? You searched the entire living room but didn't find it. Okay, did Charmin burn the letter, did she?
Will you stop talking rubbish? Why would Jasmine burn Nayan's letter to her mother? Lord, it was an accident. Just an accident. We should rather be thankful that Lord saved Jasmine. There wasn't any harm to her. Now you stop spying, please. Now come on, let's get out of here. Let's leave Jasmine alone so that she can get some rest, okay?
Jasmine, apply the lotion. The burnt mark will reduce. Don't worry, everything will be all right.
Hold on, Aunt.
Now what happened?
You thanked God earlier, right? Saying that it could have been a huge mishap for Jasmine. Not only God, Aunt. There's one more person whom we should be grateful to.
Now you're overdoing it, Deepu.
No, Mom. I only said what was right, Mom. The way Nayan was extinguishing the fire, she could have burned her hands. Do you know that? But Mom, Nayan did not even care about that. We should at least thank her once, right? And Jasmine, you are the one who should thank her the most. You are snatching her husband. Had she wanted, she could have let you burn. Well, I hope I've made it clear what you should do from now on. Or do I have to underline it for you? Okay, forget it. Let me tell you this. You should say thank you to Nayan.
I really do not understand you. Why do you protect me? And then why do you reject me? I am too naive to figure it out. You saved my dignity again in front of everyone today.
What is it? Come on, say it.
I have to lower my position to Nayan in front of everyone now. I'll teach this girl.
What is this, Xiaomin? Everyone knows that you are always talking. Then why have you shut your mouth now? If you thank my friend, will your dignity be ruined?
Rangana, do not insult her. Speak respectfully to her.
Why are you shouting at Rangana without reason? She didn't say anything wrong. Besides, Dripto also said that the way Nayan risked her life, the way she extinguished the fire, Jasmine should thank her 1,000 times. So why does she need to think so much?
Yes, Jasmine. You really should thank Nayan for whatever happened.
What's wrong, Xiaomin? Why are you still quiet? Seriously. Hey, Jayanta, you haven't taught your sister any manners and etiquette. Not fair.
No. There's no way I can react in front of everyone. I have to cover up the matter of burning the letter. Thank you.
Did you see that, brother? Did you see that? Did you see how Xiaomin thanked her? This is not the proper way of thanking someone.
Thank you is so precious. So it might be the custom to say it that way.
Deepu, will you still discuss the same matter? She thanked her, didn't she? Let's leave it at that. Let's go leave her alone. Let the girl get some rest. She needs it. Let's go. Oh Lord. It was a narrow escape. Had they asked about the letter, it would have been a disaster, seriously. What just happened? Why did Nayan stay in there? Nayan! Nayan, open the door!
Okay, Aunt. So what if Nayan didn't come out? Why are you so anxious?
All of us came out. Now what does she want? That she stayed inside and closed the door?
Aunt, Nan is not some kind of a wild animal. If she stayed inside to serve Jasmine, then what's wrong with that? She's a maidservant. Let her serve her.
What happened? Why did you close the door? Everybody left. Then why are you still here? Nayan, what happened? Why are you coming to me like this?
I know what you were burning inside the room, Jasmine, ma'am.